Hi, in this video I will show you how to enable restricted settings in order to be able to enable accessibility after for backup, aka Spapp Monitoring. This is valid for devices with Android 13 and 14. With Android 13 is actually only a few of them, but on 14 most of the devices will have this. So if you have your accessibility off, or if you see a message that this is a restricted access during install, you can do this step. So first we will check, okay, so we are going to accessibility, yeah, we are going to install apps, and here is Spapp Monitoring is off, but also I see this message that is restricted settings, so okay, and now we will enable these restricted settings. Very easy actually. So we are going to apps, we will find backup, that is actually Spapp Monitoring, and now we need to tap on the three dots, the menu, and tap on allow restricted settings. Now you should put your PIN, and as you can see, restricted settings allowed for backup. That's it. So it was easy, no? Now we are going back in settings. We are going to accessibility, can install apps, and as you can see, Spapp Monitoring is not gray anymore. So we are tapping and we can actually enable.